Again. This is Cecilia Marlowe with your Home Loan Partners, a top producing team within Pan American Mortgage. We hope that you've enjoyed our video series thus far. Our intention as you go through the process is to ensure that you have a fundamental knowledge of the buying process. So today, we will discuss briefly the role of your loan officer. It may sound silly that we would even create a video series to discuss the role of your loan officer, but we want to ensure that your expectations are realistic and that you're well equipped to speak to any loan officer and know what to expect. So let's jump right in. The first time that most potential borrowers will come in contact with a loan officer is to get a pre-approval letter. Your pre-approval will be based on your credit, income, and adequate liquid reserves. Based on these factors, we will determine your eligibility as well as your maximum loan amount. Now please note that the maximum amount that you are pre-approved for is not always what you'll be comfortable with paying on a monthly basis. So be upfront with your loan officer in determining the monthly amount that you will be comfortable with. This will play an important factor when you begin shopping for your new home. Number 2. The second thing a loan officer should be responsible for is educating the borrower. Oftentimes, loan officers will leave it up to the borrower to scour the internet for information and come prepared to make informed decisions. However, good loan officers understand that all buyers are not knowledgeable about this process, and this should be a priority. The last thing we want you to do as a buyer is sign papers that you don't understand and then be bound to them for 30 years, which is the average life of a mortgage. Number 3. Your loan officer is also responsible for helping you understand the financial commitment that it will take on your part to complete your desired home purchase. This will include, but is not limited to, walking you through your good faith estimate to help you understand the fees that are incurred when purchasing your new home. This will also include walking you through your truth in lending. This will help you to understand the overall finance charges that are associated with your purchase over the long term of the loan. Finally, your loan officer will help you to confirm what your monthly payment is to ensure that you are comfortable with it. Be sure that you are thorough in terms of understanding each of these documents, as they may vary from lender to lender, and they might appear a bit confusing if looked at with an untrained eye. Number 4. Once you've accepted a contract, the loan officer's job is to ensure that financing takes place. This will include making sure the appropriate program has been chosen to suit your particular needs. It will also include facilitating communications and required documentation that will be needed to make it to closing in a timely manner. The loan officer will also assist you with ordering and reviewing your appraisal and title. So be sure you trust your loan officer, as they play a very vital role in the overall success of your home buying experience. Number 5. Once the necessary paperwork has been completed and all conditions have been satisfied, your loan officer will then be responsible for assisting in the facilitation of your closing date. This will ensure that your date and time are agreed upon by all parties and make sure that financing is in place once you arrive at your closing destination. Finally, as your loan officer, we want to ensure that you are a client for life, that your experience has been such a smooth and seamless one that you'll refer back to us in years to come as new needs arise. Your Home Loan Partners looks forward to creating a lasting impression with you. We want to make sure that we assist you with not only financing your needs, but that we help unlock the doors to your financial future. Purchasing a new home is such a great endeavor. It is also the first stepping stone for many in building multi-generational wealth. We are so honored that you've chosen to share this monumental occasion with us, and we look forward to building a lifelong relationship together. It is our pleasure to serve you. So remember, we're only a phone call away.